So here's how to convert MOV file to MP4. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go to any of the browser that you have, and then simply you need to search for VLC player download like that, and simply search for it, and there you have it. So this is the VLC player that you have to download. So simply go with the download VLC and the installer file will be downloaded, and then simply install it. It's quite simple, so I'm not going to show you that. But after downloading the VLC player and installing that, you need to go and open that up like VLC media player. You need to open that up like this, and then from here on the left upper side you will probably see the media option. Then simply tap on that and you will get the convert and save. Just go with that one, and then simply from here you need to select the add button, tap on the add, and now select the file. All right, my file has been saved in the desktop, so I will go with the desktop. And then here is the MOV file. I will select that one, simply tap on open. Simply after that you need to tap on the convert and save, and this will show up. Now from here you need to tap on this and select the H24 MP plus MP3 and bracket MP4. Just select this one, and then from here you need to select the destination path. So for my case I'm going with the desktop again, and I will write this up like MP4 file, and then simply save it up. And then from here you need to select this option, which is the edit profile option. So you need to select that one, then go with the audio codec and simply tap on the keep original audio track. You need to select this, and you need to again select the keep original video track. You need to select that one, and now simply save it up. So simply now you need to tap on the start and it will start converting your file. All right, so as you can see I have already completed my file as MP4. So if you right click on your mouse and go to the properties, then you can see this file is MP4. So if we open that up, as you can see the file is now being played. So that's how you can simply convert a movie file to MP4. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you pretty next time.